Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your date and time on your Nintendo Wii console. So to do this, you'll need to press this button in the left down corner of your screen. It's Wii Options. Then go to Wii Settings. And from here press on Calendar. And if you press on Date, you can change the current date. For me it's 0403-2022, so it's fine. And I'm gonna confirm it. And time is wrong because it's actually 8:51 right now. So let's change that by pressing these arrows. And then confirm. And our time is changed. The same way you can change the date. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.